Hello, my YouTube friends. Dave Wilson here. A couple days before Christmas, I hope everybody's ready. Have their shopping done. I'm still making presents, so that's what I'm working on. But today was a good day. I got Chris actually printing again. I've given up all my other different mods. I finally just came to the conclusion what I was going to do. Actually lengthen the carriage by 90 millimeters front to back. I went with 2040 extrusions instead of 2020. So what I have is very similar to Ender 5 Plus. The belt is going through the 2040 extrusions. And right now it's just sort of cobbled together, just trying to see if it's going to actually work. But it's actually printing. So still got a lot more work to do on it. I've got some corner braces I'm going to put on, and I may go with the extra slide on this one, but the same one that's used on the Ender 5 Plus. We'll just have to see, but it's actually printing. So right now I've got 4 printers running. And part of what I've been doing is I made my own Christmas edition of the OmniaDrop. Printed almost all the parts in this one right here are the red and green and clear, PETG. And then these are printing, this is printing some Christmas cards. And this one's printing a new roller mount for my dry boxes. I'm not really happy with the way that the motion works in those. The filament seems to get hung up on them sometimes. So I'm going to see how this works. It's just a test. And this one over here, I'm printing a new main body in the green for one of my OmniaDrops with the quick change mount. So that's what this one's doing. And then I got a surprise, well, not a surprise, I ordered it, but the Christmas edition OmniaDrop from Germany today. So I'm really happy to see this. It's going to go in my wall of OmniaDrops. So I think I may set this one up for a different nozzle, but we'll have to see. And it's got the quick change mount on it. It was printed that way, so that's an option I think that is going to be offered. We'll have to just see, but I'm really happy to get that, and I got some spare parts. So that's one of the reasons I really like the OmniaDrop. I can get a hold of them, Max especially, and just say I need some parts, and I get them shipped to me. So I was not able to do that with the Hemera. So that's the way that goes. But I messed up and I broke a couple of these little wheels. I put it in a print that wasn't a good one that I'd made for the main body. So I just got a hold of Max and he sent me new main wheels. I'll get that rebuilt. But the other thing I played with a little bit, and this is just a test, but I saw these print your own reusable zip ties. And they came out pretty well. I'm going to work with them some more, but I like to just keep all my cables so that I can get to them and remove them and change them. And this, I think it's got some possibilities. But right now I'm just trying to get this one put together. Got to do a lot of work on the belts and a lot of other things, but it is running. So that's the important part. But well, I insulated the bed on this too. I saw a couple videos on that, and we're going to see how that works. But as you can see, the dual Z-axes are working, and I've got parts to make new cables for all this, so just always something to do. Making my wife some shutters for Christmas for the outside of the house, so got to get going on that too. Well, everybody have a great Christmas, or whatever holiday you celebrate this time of year. Thanks for watching.